How to update your Pinterest app. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can update your Pinterest application to explore new features and improvements. For that, open your Play Store or any other app store on your mobile device. Once in that homepage, locate the search bar and there type Pinterest. When you find the Pinterest app, you will also see update button next to it. If your app needs an update, you will see an update button to the right of the app icon. If the app is already up to date, the update button will not be visible and instead you will see an open button. If your update button is visible like here in this video, then tap on it to start the update process. Wait patiently with the installation and update process complete. Once the update is finished, you will see an open button in the place of update button. Tap on it to launch the updated Pinterest app. You will now have access to the latest version of Pinterest app featuring new functionalities and enhancements. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.